No, you also join. நீங்கள் போயிடுங்க, நீங்கள் போயிடுங்க. ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. ஆமாம்.
Okay, this is, I feel this is the soul. So I like this for everybody's soul is one. So this soul has to go into the body. Now I'm trying to put this soul into this body. So one day this part will, like a part, the body goes and the soul remains. Line between trees and God, like that is it started coming. And all this drawing, I no plan nothing, just put and I finished the drawing. Thank you. Some few words, please.
Yes, I
This is my very spiritual architect in our India famous architect is.
Thank you very much, Raghavan, and it's absolutely a pleasure to be here. I have known Raghavan, and this is my wife Suman, and we are very proud owners of a couple of his works when he used to work in copper, and those are also based on meditation. And you look at those works and you feel the excellent energy coming out of those. And there are some spiritual friends of mine who visited my house, and they said that your house is in a way kept, in a way sustained by these two works because of the excellent vibrations that they are emitting. So when Raghavan said about this exhibition, I said, no, I'm coming. So it is absolutely a pleasure to be a friend and to know him. He comes home and then he comes and then we get up at 4 o'clock, we meditate, and it's just so nice to know him just as an excellent soul, and I'm really thankful.
Yes, I mean, I'll echo whatever Rajiv has said, but it's just really great when Raghavan comes. He brings a lot of energy with him. And spontaneously, we also get up at 4 and we want to meditate, and he has that aura, he will influence you in that way. So it's a beautiful energy in the house when he's there. Also, he's very down to earth, the way he eats, the way he mingles with everyone, just so spontaneous. He's very childlike. Just, there's no pretense about him, nothing put on. So it's a beautiful example also of an excellent human being and how human beings should be. Just very childlike, very spontaneous, very honest. It's great to have him in our home. It's always a pleasure. And of course, it's a privilege to know him. And this is just so beautiful too.
He's always in our hearts, always.
Thank you.
And in our souls. This is a small gift for you.
Before you give, I will use it.
சரிங்க பால் கொஞ்சம் கேட்டோம். சரிங்க பால்.
You just have to hold this.
தேங்க்யூ. அண்ணா கை எடுங்க அண்ணா. தேங்க்யூ. சார் கொஞ்சம் சித்த ராஜ் சார் கிட்டோம். சார் இப்பால். சார் இப்பால். Thanks.
I'm so glad to have you this week in the gallery. The director is not here tonight, but we don't do that. But we will do a closing ceremony with the director, because I guess this exhibition is dedicated to me.
Yes.
But really, what a great work! It's amazing. And when I came this morning, I was like, okay, no, I don't want to see your exhibition. I will see it tonight. and wow, amazing. Great job.
And Alain Francis director, Mr. Lawrence Delacos is not here. This exhibition I am dedicated to him because he made this gallery for the Pondicherry artist. On Pondicherry, on behalf of Pondicherry artists, I am dedicating this show for Mr. Lawrence Delacos.
Bye.